Hello guys, today video I'll be showing you how to use this AI tool to build a converting app that can convert one folder from one document to another document. So this is what I'll be showing you, and this came up as a result of a task I have because one of my friends gave me a task to extract a JSON file for him, change the JSON to an Excel file. So what I had to do was to come up with how to build it. So for us to build it, we need to click on Get Started. So once you click on Get Started, it will take you to a place for you to sign up. Then you click on Sign in with Google. So once you click on Sign in with Google, you will have to select your Google account. So once you select your Google account, click on Continue. So once you click on Continue, it will take you to the place where you can now start writing your prompt. So, but for you to start writing your prompt, you just have to tell them more about yourself. So I'm a digital marketer, that's why I put marketing. Then what is the main use? So it's for AI assistant. That's the main use of that software. Then the next thing, how did I get to learn about them? So I say YouTube. Then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, you just click on my own because I'm the only one using this platform. I don't have any team. So since I don't have any team, I'll just select on my own. So once I can select on my own, it will open me to the place where I can now start writing the prompt. So this is where you start writing your prompt. So your prompt should be a natural language, just like you are communicating with your friends. So the issue many people have is that when they are using an AI tool, they used to think much about how to write the prompt. So just write your prompt, let it be natural. So I want to build an app. What is the app? What is the purpose of the app? You'll try to tell the AI the purpose of the app. Okay, this app is used for building an extraction tool. This app is used for doing this, is a converter. If it is maybe an app for maybe writing or cloning voice, you just do that. So if you look at what I said I I want I want to build a converter that converts one type of file to another, e.g. JSON to Excel and Word to PDF and so on, using a good design of golden yellow with its complementary colors. So if you notice, I click on OK. So once I click on OK, it starts generating and asking me some follow-up questions. We call them follow-up questions. So the AI is trying to understand why or what kind of tools am I trying to build. So that's why it asks me all these follow-up questions. So once you ask me this follow-up question, I'll just reply yes. So once I reply yes, then I click on it, the AI will start processing the information and start building up this app that I wanted to build. And one of the cool things I love with this AI is by itself, it can debug and detect error. So this AI, what I notice is it can do a quality check on the app by itself because it will run the app after building the app. So you will see the whole process as I go on. You will see when this AI is debugging and all the whole things. So just stay close. I'll be pausing the video and I'll also be coming back to you to show you some of the things that this AI may be building for us as we proceed with the whole thing. So this is the AI writing the code. So once the AI is done writing the code, it will come up with the preview. So this is George Digitals. For those that are yet to subscribe, you can hit the subscribe button as I will be showing you more tools on how to use AI to build many things or any idea that you have. My next video will be completing our first video on how to use AI to build a school management system. So I'll have to do the part 2 of that video. So you just watch out for that. If you're yet to subscribe, I'm begging you to subscribe. And also, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the subscribers I currently have on YouTube. My current subscriber as at the time of this recording is 1,051. And I'm very grateful for being with me. You guys are the ones giving me the energy, the vibe to always come up with this kind of content. So I'm very, very grateful. So let's go on with this. So the AI is building, and as it's building, if you're noticing it, it's trying to come up with, you see, it is processing, it is debugging by itself. It is coming up with any error. There is an error now. It encountered an error, if you notice. So as it encountered the error, the AI by itself will fix the error without me telling it anything. I didn't even tell it anything, and the AI is debugging the error by itself. So this is one thing that I really love about this AI, like I told you. So it's debugging the error. So once it's finished debugging the error, it will come up with a preview where I can preview it, where you see this website, this area you're seeing the website, it will come up with that preview. So once it come up with that preview, you see it has opened the preview, say file forge. So this AI now has come up with this. So what we need to do is to check if it is working. So for us to check if it is working, we have to open it as a website. If you notice, I click on the place you see website. So once you click on website, then you click on choose a file, or you can drag. So just click on choose. So once you click on choose, so I'll have to select the JSON file that I have. So the name of the JSON file is events.json. So I'll select that and click on open. So once I click on open, you see it by itself will tell me that this is a document. So I want to convert the document from Word to Word. So I will now be the one to select, okay, I'm converting the document, and it has other versions like I told it. So I have image, I have audio, I have video, I have archive, I have code. So it has different formats. So what I want to convert it to is what I will now select. So you notice this is for image, and if I want to select PDF or text or that, but if I notice I want to convert this not just all these are the other formats. So I want to convert the document I currently have from JSON to Excel. So I will come back and tell it that I didn't see an Excel format there. So since I didn't see an Excel format in this, so what I will do is I will tell it to add the Excel under the document so that it will appear under the document tab. Then I'll click on OK. So this AI now will look at, okay, I want to convert this JSON to an Excel. So the AI will look at the whole thing I said. Then you say, you're absolutely right. Let me add Excel formats to the document category. So if you see it's doing that. So it's doing that. So once it's done with everything, then I can now see it's showing the Excel. So you see perfect now. So just wait for the AI to do its work, because it's also checking for error. As it builds, it checks for error. So just allow the AI. So once you allow the AI will come up with building this software for you, this app for you. Once it finished building, you'll see it will come up with the preview. So once it come up with the preview, then we can start testing. So this AI is doing all this thing. It's even controlling my system by itself. So if you notice now, if you go to document, you see there is an Excel, there's a PPTS, there is a PowerPoint. So it has added several things to this. So what we just need to do is to wait for it. Once we wait for it to complete, then we can try to see if it converts for us what we have given it. So let's just wait for this AI. Now, one other thing is, for those that are having issue with prompts, if you don't know how to use prompts, maybe you don't know how to prompt an AI, I have a tool for free that I will be showing you to in this video as a bonus that you can use to enhance your prompt in the case where you don't know how to use the AI to create prompts. Maybe you are finding it difficult to give AI a prompt, and you are always thinking on, how do I do this? How do I put this? How do I add this? How do I go about this and all those things? Don't worry, I will still guide you on how to do that so that you don't get scared. I know some people are feeling scared when it comes to using AI and prompting them. They think that this my prompt is not a perfect prompt. So don't get scared. I will show you in this video how to get a prompt enhancer tool that you can just add as a tool and you will use it. Don't worry, let's just finish this app. As we go on, I will still show you how to do that. So it has added all these other format for us. So let's just wait for it. So if you notice, there's PDF, there's doc, there's XLS, then there is other format that you can see there. So I just want you to also understand that this video is out of my curiosity to build something for my friend, which gave me, that's how this video came up with. So if you too have an idea and you want me to also build that idea for you, I will do that. So one of my user sent me a message that he wants me to build an app for him. So I will also go ahead, one of my subscribers, I'll also go ahead and show you guys what I will build. So I'll be testing. Let me just test this too. Once I'm done testing it, I will share my idea with you guys, because I want to build a software that will help for hotel. So it will be an hotel booking software. So if you notice, we are converting the file. So this file has been converted. Just click on download, click on OK. So if you notice, there's a problem. It's saying download would. So if I say OK, it's not downloading anything. So that's what I noticed. Once I click on OK, nothing is being downloaded. So I have to come back and tell the AI that this is not downloading anything for me, and I would want it to fix that error. So one thing I also want you to understand is, once you try to test anything you are building, once you test it and you notice that it is not coming up with what you need, just tell the AI what you notice so that it can come up with helping you to fix the error. So you understand. If you notice that it is not working, tell it, I notice that this cannot do, is not done properly. I notice that this is not doing what I want it to do. Just like you're talking to your friend, like I always will say, AI is just your friend. Only that it's not a human being. It's a tool. So you just tell the I noticed this. I noticed that. This was the error message I got. This was what happened. I was trying to do this. It is not working the way I expect. And once you're able to do that, the AI will follow your prompts and correct all those things. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as you are learning from using this Lindy AI to build your own app. So you can build any kind of app with it. You can build a money exchanging app. You can build a fintech app. So this is my token. They gave me 400 token. So this 400 token is what they gave me. So I will also be telling you how to upgrade if you want to go for an upgrade. I'll be dropping the link for the upgrade in the description section. So if you want to go to upgrade it and all those things. So I have 400 token. Out of the 400 token, I have 129 left. So as you build, it uses the token that they give you, and per month they give you 400 token per month for free. So that's just one of the cool things I love with this AI. So let's just wait for it to finish building the app for us. In my other video, I'll be completing like I told you, I'll be completing my video on how to create a school management system. So once I'm done, I'll post the video too on my YouTube channel here. So if you are yet to subscribe and you want to see that video, the part 2 of the video on how to create a school management system, please hit the subscribe button. And for those that have an app idea, use the comment section. Please use this comment section to tell me the app idea you have, so that I can go on and build it for you. I'll also be building a hotel management system with the Django as the tool I'll be using for it. So I will also show you the process of how to build a hotel booking software or a hotel management software for free. So if you also want to see that video, subscribe please. Let's go on with this video. So let's see, the AI is looking at building and correcting the error. So let's see. It's checking, it's testing the download button. So let's keep waiting for it to finish building. So once it is done building, we would also need to test it again. So instead of wasting much time on it, Let's just pause the video, and once it is done, we'll get back to it. So it is done. I'll just click on this link it gives me, and it takes me here. So once it takes me to this page, so what I need to do is to test and see if it is working very well. And I'll try to import the file again, which is the JSON file. So once I try importing the JSON file, I will click on the format I want it to be converted into. So I select XLX, then I'll click on convert, then I'll click on download to see if it is downloading. Okay, it is downloading now. So let's see if it opens to us what we want to see. So let's see if it opens. So you see it is showing Excel cannot open the file. So we'll look at how to fix that error. Now, we will have to get that error message. So what I would recommend is you can get the error message or make a screenshot of it, or just go back to the AI tool and you tell the AI that this is what you notice, that you notice that the event is downloading the event, but it's not giving you or opening it well for you. So once you have been able to do that, you can give your complaint to the AI. So I want to just try it again to see whether it's from my own conversion that has the issue. So I want to clear the conversion and try to add again and see. So I've inserted it. So after inserting it, so I'm going to select the format again. Then I click on download. And if you notice, they said the format, and so I click on OK. And if you notice, it's not giving me anything. So you just tell me that I converted a document, and that is all it is telling me. So what I need to do is to go back to this Excel and tell it that, to this AI, and tell it that I have been trying to download this JSON to Excel. It's download, but the issue I have is it's not giving me what I really want. So I have to give that prompt to the AI now. So say I was able to download the Excel. So once I'm able to download the Excel file, but the issue I have is I can't really view the document. So that's why I'm trying to open it to see the message it is giving me. So that message it is giving me is what I want to screenshot. Once I screenshot it, I give it to the AI. And as I give it to the AI say I'm absolutely right. So it's trying to fix the issue it's noticed with the document format I have given it that it's not fixed. So this AI now is trying to figure out the issue, debug the problem, fix it, and make sure that it's downloading the Excel library and it is working properly. So once we've given it, the AI will fix that issue. Like I told you, anytime you encounter an issue, as you try to test what you are building, go back to the AI tool, give that same issue to the AI, and tell the AI that this is the issue I noticed, or this is what I noticed that is wrong with the document I'm trying to convert. And that is one of the approach of using an AI tool to build any software you want to build. You don't have to be a programmer, you don't have to be a web developer, you don't have to necessarily be someone that is techie for you to do anything with AI these days. All you just need to do is to learn how to use AI and build what you are building. So what I did was I go to Cloud AI based on the fact that this AI, I don't know why it's giving me issue. And if you notice, they said my credit limit is there. So I have to go to the terminal, copy it, and go to Claude AI and say, I want you to help me improve on this code to make it work correctly. Now, what Claude is doing is Claude is building this for me. So one other thing you can do is once you are trying to do anything, just you can switch from one AI to another AI. Once you try to build and you have some issues, you can go to another AI too. That's the reason why I did this video, so that you guys can see how I switched from using Lindy to Claude AI. So I just copied my code, pasted it into Claude, and gave Claude a prompt to help me build the code and fix everything that is not working well. And this is what Claude is doing. And it's writing the code again. It's working over the code, trying to see things that are not there. So if you notice, let me just show you something. So I am using the free plan, which is 400 credit per month. So if I want to increase from any of the plans, you see for Pro, I'll get 2000 credits for $19. Then for business plan, the other enterprise, for the business plan is $199 or $200 per month. So if you have that amount, you can just upgrade to the paid version, the pro plan for $20 per month. So you can just do that upgrade. So I will recommend if you want to use it to build more complex tool or more things that are very, very high, maybe a project that is demanding, you can subscribe and also use this tool to build any kind of app or any kind of project you want to build. So that is that for this project. Let's go back to seeing how to use Claude AI to complete these tasks and make sure that it is up and running. So once we are using Lindy, we want to switch to Claude AI and continue building from that point. So let's look at that. So we have opened it on Cloud. So as we open it on Cloud, this is what Cloud have been able to do. So one thing we want to do is we want to click, this is the code. So you can copy that code. Now, once you copy this code, another way of testing your app is you can just, or you can copy the code and paste it in a document and save it, or just try it within the Claude AI. So I'm trying to use it within the Claude AI. So once you click on it, just pick the format you want or the event you are looking for. Once you click on that, now what you need to do is to select the format. So we are selecting, we are not seeing that format, which is the Excel format. So since we are not seeing the Excel format, I just say, let me try using CSV. Then I click on download and click on download file. So it has downloaded it as a CSV. So let's try opening it as a CSV to see if it is working properly. So I try opening it as a CSV file. I don't know why it's not opening. Let me try it again. Okay, it has opened, but if you notice, this is how it is looking as a CSV file. It's not necessarily looking arranged. It's not even looking well organized. It's looking as if it just did a play job on it without converting this thing to what I really want it to be. Now, since it's not converting to what I really want to be, I'll go back to Claude AI again. So once I go back to Claude AI again, I'll say I tried converting the JSON file to an Excel or to Excel. So, and I didn't see there, just giving my complaint, giving my report. This is what I tried doing. I didn't see the Excel format there. I just give it to build again. Just wait for Claude to do its work. So while I wait for it to do its work, I also want to complain about the CSV file I had. So if you notice, I said the CSV to JSON didn't convert well as I downloaded it. The CSV was still looking like a JSON format and didn't work well. So this is what I'm trying to tell the AI to see or look into. So as it works on the making the Excel format available on the converter. I'm also trying to give it my report of what I noticed with the CSV. We downloaded a CSV file which didn't work well or look well as expected. So this JSON file, I want to copy the JSON file that I'm trying to work on. So this is the JSON file I'm trying to work on. So I copied it and I also pasted it here, and then I click on OK. Now I want it to understand the whole purpose of the JSON file. So I want to try it again because it's coming up with an error. So let's just try it again. So now this is the JSON file I want it to convert. So if you notice, it is also coming with you have exceeded this and all those things, right? So let's try to see now. It's working on it. So once it's working on it, he's trying to see, okay, this is the problem, that the JSON file is a nested JSON file, that he's trying to see how he will work on it. Now, the reason why I have to copy the JSON file is that so that the AI also will get a feel of what I want it to work on. So if you are trying to build sometimes and you are trying to, like, we are trying to build a converter, this is what we already have and this is what we want it to convert. For the AI to understand what you are doing, there is a need sometimes to give it what you want it to convert into. Let's say I have a HTML code and I want it to convert to Word. Now there is a need for me to give the AI that this is what I want. Now it has finished working. So let's try converting this JSON file again into an Excel file to see if it is going to work very well. So let's see if it's going to work very well. So I've imported it. Then I'll click on SLS, which is the Excel format. Once I click on that, I'll click on download. So once I click on download, then I'll click on, okay, that's it. Then I'll click on download the file to see if it is going to work or it's going to open very well. So let's look at it. So it's trying to download that. Then it has, let me open it. So let's see if it is going to open for us something that we can read. So this is it. Voila, it has worked. It has opened for us the whole thing. If you notice, this is the whole thing. It is showing us the events, the list of the events, like a very documented way or a very documented format where we can see each event. After seeing the event, we can see the date of the event, the start, the end date, and all those other things. So this AI is really working. So the tool is set. So I will want us to also try some other formats apart from trying Excel format. I want us to try to see if we can use images for it. So let's try using an image to see if it is going to convert the image. So once you do that, you also select the format. So this image is a JPEG. So I want to convert a JPEG to a PNG. So you just select PNG and click on convert file. So once you click on convert file, if you notice, it is coming with an error. That error is the one you are seeing in a red dot there. So let's try converting to WebP. It's also showing us an error. So what we need to do is to also give it that thing and say, I tried and I noticed that, or we noticed that there is we are trying to convert an image into maybe a JPEG image into another format and it's not working. So this is how to go about building with AI. Once you try to use the tool, it is giving you an error. You look at the error, you try to tell it the error. So this is how to work with AI tool. Once you do something and you see that it's not giving you what you really want, just give it. Now, there is this tool that I want to, like I promised that I will show you about, and the name of that tool is called Prompt Genie or Prompt Genie. So Prompt Genie, sorry, I said Genie. Prompt, the name of that tool is called Prompt Genie. So you have to download that tool as a Chrome extension. Then you sign up by clicking on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it will open to you another tab. So once it opens to you another tab, just click on sign up with Google and also select your Google account. So once you select your Google account, click on continue and just make sure you are signed into it. So let's just wait for this process to be done. I don't know why it's taking time, my network. So let's just complete this profile. I'm a marketer, the same thing. I got to know about them from YouTube. Then I click on complete setup. So you can enroll for their courses. They have a prompt course for you that they can give you for free. So just enroll for that. So once you click on that, your profile will be completed and you see a message below, profile completed and all those things. So once you are done, just close that. Once you close that, then go back to your code base, then click on Prompt Genie. Then once you click on Prompt Genie, then you can now click on Add Context. So once you click on Add Context, you can select the context, but what we want to do is just click on um, Mastermind. Once you select Mastermind, then click on Prompt Optimize or Optimize Prompt. Once you click on Optimize Prompt, just notice what it will do. If you notice, it's going to be writing the whole detail of that prompt for you that the AI will. This is just one way of using this prompt enhancer tool, which is called Prompt Genie. Once you use Prompt Genie, this Prompt Genie will give you this prompt, and once it gives you this prompt, you can now send it to your Claude AI or to ChatGPT. You can use it on ChatGPT, you can use it on Claude AI, you can use it on any tool. It has given you a compressing prompt, then you can send it to the AI tool as a message, and this AI tool can now use it and understand it because you are telling it to use it like you are giving it an in-depth way of understanding the prompt. So this is one way I use in enhancing my prompts. Anytime I'm writing a prompt, I use Prompt Genie to use as a tool to enhance my prompt. So I've done that, and now I'm giving it back to Claude AI, and now Claude AI can now understand what I'm trying to do or what the message is and work on it. So this is one leverage you can use. Those of you that are scared of writing a prompt, I'm not a prompt engineer, I don't know how to go about it. Is it that it is very hard? Is it is something that I can't do? I don't know how to come up with this thing. Just write a simple prompt, then use the prompt gym just like I have shown you to enhance it. So once you are using that tool, it will help you to enhance the whole thing. And once you are done, just wait for it to give you the whole thing. Just wait. So once you are done, you can now. So let's try it again and see. So Cloud has finished working on it. So let's try it again and see if it is going to work. Just click on this place message, drop. So let's try the image to see if it is going to work. So let me just check one of the image I have here. Um, let me just see one of this image. So if you notice, this image is a JPEG. So let's select the format to work on PNG. So let's click on convert file. So if you notice, it said fail to download the image, the file may be corrupted or unsupported. So let's try that one and see. Maybe it's the format we download. So let's come here. Let's look for another format. Um, let's click on this. Let's select to. So this is PNG. Let's say if PNG to JPEG and see. So it's also the same thing. So we can come up with this message and say, I tried converting JPEG, or sorry, PNG to JPEG or JPG, and it is coming or showing any of the English you want to use this error. Then you just paste the error. So this could be a issue. So this AI is working on fixing that issue. So once we are waiting for that issue to be fixed, so let's just wait a bit for Cloud to do its work. So anything you have in your mind that you want to build, any app or any application or any tool that you have in mind to build, just use the comment section to tell me, as we'll be working on it together. This channel is a community. That's what I want you guys to have in mind, that we are building a community here where your own idea and your thoughts are heard and seen and can be made visible. And I'll be also doing a shout out on any tool you drop in the comment section. I will call your name in any video I'm creating. I'll call your name and also give you a shout out so that you get to be heard. I'll show the comments in the comment section as a screenshot so that everybody can see what you want us to build together. So I'll also be building a hotel booking software, just like I promised. A hotel management software where you can manage your whole hotel. So if you are yet to subscribe, my plea with you is to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for that video, as I'm going to be dropping that video soon, and also completing the part of building the school management system, the back end of it, which has to connect with database and all those other things. So just stay tuned, as this channel is going to be showing you the step-by-step way of building any kind of software or any kind of application that comes to mind. So let's go on with testing this. Claude AI is done. So just click on this place you see here. So once you click on that, let's try using an image again. Then just click on open. So once you click on that, click on select format. This is a JPEG, so you see JPG. Then click on PNG, click on convert. So you see it has clicked. Then let's click on download and see if it's going to work. So download file. So let's see. Wow. You see it converted successfully. Wow. So let's see if we can try using maybe audio format or other format to see if it's going to work. So let's just see how this will work on it. So let's just generate or pick one of these music. So I'll just pick this one. So what I'll do is, since I've selected this, I'll just select a format. You see, there is no audio format here. So what we'll tell it is, see, also add audio conversion to this. So this is a simple way of telling it, just add audio conversion to this. So we'll just wait for Cloud to do that. So it's working on the file, updating the code for it to have a converter for audio. So it will be looking at converting one audio format to another kind of audio format. Maybe you want to convert MP3 to WAV, or you want to convert it to other kind of audio format. So let's just wait for it to do its work. And please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification, as I'll be dropping more videos that will be user-friendly, explanatory, self-explanatory, and have meaningful values to you. So let's go on. Let's wait a bit. So if you look at it, it says it has added that. So let's just try to check if it is working. So click on this place again. Then select your audio format, which is this. Once you select that, click on open. Just close this for now. So let's try to see. So you see that's MP3. So I want to change this WAV to MP3. Just click on convert. So let's see if it will work. So if you notice, the file size of this is 5.49 MB. So we want to check if it will work. And also me coming to the end of this video. So guys, I told you, any idea you have, you can drop that in the comment section and we'll build it with you using AI. This is a world where AI has revolutionized the way you can code, revolutionized the way you can think and bring your idea to life. So let's just code and see if we can download it and play the music. So let's click there. So click on download. So let's see if it also have the same music. So let's play the music and see. So let me just play it using this. Yeah. So enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Goodbye. So this is working. Yeah, this is George Digital. So see you in the next video. Bye.